Hey guys, and I have the newest product from Elmers. Glow in the dark glue. This slime is so simple. You just need detergent, any detergent. Tide, Geyiie, doesn't matter. Now pour your glue into the cup. Do you see the sprinkles in there? They look super pretty. Let's add our detergent. Let's mix it now. Whoa, look at it forming its shape. It's super cool. I really like this. I'm going to add a tiny bit more. That's enough, I think. I really like this, and I can't wait to see how it looks when it glows in the dark. It's so sparkly. The sparkles don't even go on you. I really like this. And when it goes into the dark, I can't wait to see how it looks like. Look at this. Hear those popping sounds? They are super poppy. Feel that. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. It feels like your nails are getting like pampered or something. So it feels really good. Let's see if this glow-in-the-dark slime works. I have a feeling that this is gonna work. So look at it glowing in the dark. It's super good. So it did work. I'm gonna pour some slime in one of these containers. Let's start opening it. Here's one container right up. Let's see if I can, oh, there you go. There's the container. And there's the lid. Okay, look at this. Let's put it in. Oh, that was really funny. So subscribe to my channel to see more videos and DIY and much more. Give me a thumbs up. Watch the video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye.